queen in here. Oh. Look, spot my feet. Don't worry about the beetles.
I'm not worried about the bees, I'm worried about what's under them.
I'd be more worried about what's above your head. Don't wave.
It was on my face.
You don't wave.
I licked it off.
If you wave, you'll get stung. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
By golly, I think I caught it that time. We got a queen fight going on here. You ready to get your close-up up here?